Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how I created this nail here. After applying a base coat that I actually will skip here, I will use some white color. I'm using this 176 of Silker. And applying one layer. It has a little bit of bubble. And I cure it for 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to use a B-Ab. I will use the Semilac Extend Base. Well, that's what I'm going to use. Obviously, if you want to use something else that is transparent, have like a gel consistency, you can use something else. And I will apply all over the white color. I leave it wet, and then I will take these broken glasses. Actually, I think I got them under a name of broken glasses, which are hard pieces. They just look like little pieces of broken glasses actually. And well, I'm using this tool here, but that's what I'm using. I apply them all over the gel. The pieces that are sticking too much out, or maybe they're too big, I'm actually not gonna put them in, because if not they will stand, and I want them to be as much flat as possible. Then I'm going to take my glove and try to squish them basically a little bit. When I have like pieces that are standing out, I remove them immediately. I remove them immediately because the more flat everything it is, the less filing you will need at the end. I add in like pieces where I see that basically none. Now I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to use these Indigo Gel Polishes Glass in color Barbados and Rose Water. And basically you can use any kind of jelly or glass effect gel polish. The important is that it's basically transparent. And I will just start applying it like that. Half of the nail. And then I'm going with the next color, and I'm going to and I'm going to drag the color up to let them meet in the middle and basically blend them together. and I keep actually like a little piece of paper there, and I keep these little pads here to make sure that I can clean the brush. Okay. And I don't want them to be like, I want it to be delicate as much as possible, and I want, you know, that the pieces of glasses are seen through, so I'm just trying to actually remove in the area that is like a little bit too clunky. And when I'm happy, basically pretty much of what I got, I will cure it for 60 seconds to make sure that everything is dry. Next, I'm going to take again my BIAB and my gel, and I'm going to apply it all over the surface, trying to basically filling up every unevenness. Making sure that every point of view, every angle is like filled up, don't have any gaps. I reapply maybe more if I feel that maybe I didn't even up the surface as much as I can. Okay, so I turn upside down and I will cure it for 60 seconds. Now I will wear my mask because I don't have my vacuuming underneath. And well, I'm going to remove the sticky layer. Removing the sticky layer. And then I'm going to take a file. Actually, you could take a buffer, but afterwards, the surface is pretty even, so which is absolutely great. Actually, I can even take just a buffer in this case. But obviously, if you believe that the nail is like too high, you can actually a little bit, you know, file it with the file. I will just buff it. Put this one here. I mean that size is very you know, strong, but I think it's enough because the surface is super even. And I filed till I'm sure that she is pretty even, removing the dust with some cleaner or isopropylic alcohol, cleaning the surface very well from the dust. Okay. And now I will apply some top coat. I'm using the Top Air Gloss of Silk Care. Because that's the one I got available at the moment. Applying all over the surface. I turn it upside down a little bit to make sure that everything will be, pretty even. And cure it for 60 seconds. And here we go. She's pretty, but actually each one can be very different. It depends how you actually squish the little pieces of broken glass. It's not that easy every time. These were like more standing, but for example, this is the first one that I made, the one I showed at the beginning, and it's more soft. So these are like two different versions, and now I will show you the final result.
And that's how all the set look like in daylight. I should file a little bit more the pinky now that I see it. Don't forget to like this video if you like it and subscribe to my channel. All these things are important to make me keep going. And thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!